Hello, I'm Irene, and this is a video with a description of my 3D object on Tinkercad and the my circuit on Arduino board. Let's begin with this 3D object I created on Tinkercad. So this is a traffic light. I've chosen to construct a traffic light that can match the traffic light LEDs I prepared on Arduino board. And as I said, I'll describe later. Oh, so in order to build a traffic light, I began by using the red cube that I transformed in rectangle. Then I took a hemisphere and I duplicated and repeated it so that I could have 3 of them. I colored them by the 3 colors of the traffic light, and I posted them vertically across and within. Let's see how. Across and within the rectangle. For the upper cover of the light, this one, I went to the form generators. In English, it's better. The form generators up here. And I formed the ellipsoidal shape of the cover, duplicated for each light. Finally, I beveled the vertices. So in that way, I obtained the main part of the traffic light. Then I continued by dragging in a cylinder, which then I stretched and made the traffic lights full. Finally, I formed the base out of another cylinder here. So then I also tried to reproduce the stretching by creating the asphalt surface and a central curve. On the surface, I created the zebra crossing on both sides by implementing a cube transformed into a rectangle, capping it down on the level of the street. Yeah, I reduced the snap grid in order to make it as skimmed as possible. For both last steps, I switched in flat orthographic view. Okay, so that I could work with more precision. Okay, like this. Okay. And that is my traffic light. Now, let's pass to the Arduino circuit. So Let's go to the circuits. Many attempts. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's try first to start the simulation. This reproduces the, oh, how come? So maybe maybe if we change circuit. Okay, let's see. So, okay, it works. It works like this. It imitates the traffic light. This is the input. 15 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is the circle. And let's explain how we did that. So I took the Arduino, I switched it this way vertical, as Johanna said. It's more handy for me as well. Then I took a small breadboard right here. The first thing to do is provide the breadboard with some power. We know that it has two sides, so we have to also connect between them. So we connect a 5 volt to the red plus here. We change color as power is in red color. Then we connect the ground below to minus, and this cable is black. Then we need to connect the two sides, as we said before. I choose 3 LEDs. I put them this way: cathode to the ground, anode to the power. And to make it work, we also need 3 resistors that protect the LEDs, 220 volts. And we need some power. We connect the cables like these. And finally, to see it work as we saw it before, we need to make a code. Of course, I didn't create it. I didn't create the code because I'm not familiar. We haven't been taught C++, but I visited some links besides the one that Johanna showed us. So I will provide my source in the report, in the assignments report. Because it's like this. We need to make, okay, we need to tell Arduino to turn the power on, but first we make these three variables. Then we set the LEDs as outputs. In my first attempt, I hadn't included the button. I didn't have any input, but then I tried to add an input. Okay, so if we press, if the button is pressed, the traffic light will it will be in function. So we need to structure it. Okay, to make it work as a traffic light. With a delay of 15 seconds. So there are practically there are four phases. The first one is this one, when the green light is off, and the yellow is on for 3 seconds. The second one is this one. We turn off the yellow one and turn on the red for 5 seconds. The third one is this one, red and yellow on for 2 seconds delay. And the final one, we turn off red and yellow and then turn on green. And we repeat the whole loop. Okay, this is how I tried to create this circuit. Okay, thank you. And it was really nice attempting this task. Thank you.